Hey guys, Fred's Tech Up here. So this is the Poco M3 Pro 5G. This is the only device you can buy right now with a MediaTek Dimensity 700 CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage with support for 5G that costs only 75,000 Naira or $180. This could be the best entry-level device that money can buy yet. The only sad part is that it is not available in Nigeria, but thanks to Banggood.com you can get this device shipped directly to your doorstep in a matter of days. And I also want to thank the good guys at Banggood for providing this review unit. If you're unaware, Banggood.com is a global online shop that offers you great one-stop shopping experience. You can buy this device using the link in the description and get a great discount using my coupon code. With the ongoing Banggood 15th anniversary sales, you can shop all kinds of products with maximum discount. All the necessary links will be in the description box below. In the box, the Poco M3 Pro 5G comes in an envelope that contains the SIM ejector tool, some Poco stickers for the Poco fans, some paperwork, a transparent silicone case that is very flexible and it fits the device so well. Next is the device itself wrapped in a plastic that carries highlights about its main selling point. Next is the 18-watt fast charger and a USB Type-C charging cable, and that's pretty much it. Back to the device, the Poco M3 Pro 5G is a device with the most reflective rear and one that attracts fingerprint smudges very quickly. But that being said, the device looks pretty with a huge Poco logo. It is made from plastic as you'd expect from an entry-level device. I like how it feels in the hand, which is sturdy and well made. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button that also incorporates a fingerprint scanner and the volume rocker keys. To the left, we've got a hybrid SIM card tray that can take one SIM card with a micro SD card or dual SIM card without a memory card. At the bottom, we've got a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port and a speaker grill. On top of the device, we have another microphone, an IR blaster that you can use to control your home electronics like your television, your AC and many more. Then there's a 3.5mm headphone jack. I must say that this phone just packs everything. At the rear, we've got a triple camera setup that comprises of a 48MP main sensor, a 2MP macro lens and a 2MP depth sensor. There's also a dual flashlight and the Poco branding. Turning to the front of the device, we've got a 6.5-inch 1080p IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate. The display is a dot-in style that carries an 8MP selfie camera. The display is capped at 500 nits and it has a pixels density of 405. With that, you can tell that this is not the brightest display or the sharpest. But sunlight readability is okay. The display is bright enough for gaming, watching YouTube videos and general media consumption. It has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, which is something you won't see on any device at this price point. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner on the Poco M3 is super fast and very responsive all the time. You all know that I'm a huge fan of a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and I don't see any reason to activate the unsecure face unlock. The Poco M3 Pro comes with a single firing speaker at the bottom and it is very decent. It is not great, but it is loud enough. About performance, this is where this device really shines. On the Geekbench scores, the Poco M3 Pro delivers a single core score of 541 and a multi-core score of 1527. Moving on to the Antutu benchmark scores, we have a total score of 290,084. Point to me any device at this price point that can deliver such impressive numbers. I'll be waiting for your response in the comment section below, okay? Performance is really impressive on here, game performance is impressive, app launching, multitasking and general daily tasks is really impressive, considering the price of this device. If you're on a very tight budget and still want the best of the best, with almost no compromise in performance, then this is the right device for you. In context, I can't think of any device that can beat the performance of this device at this price bracket. The Poco M3 Pro comes with Android 11 out of the box with MIUI 12.0 and there's a promised future update to Android 12. I'm not really a huge fan of MIUI, but the one on here with its rounded icons is very smooth and very responsive thanks to the impressive performance and 90Hz refresh rate. The 5000 mAh battery on here is super amazing. It can take a beating for a living. It's a device that can comfortably last for 2 days on a single charge if you're an average user. And if you happen to run out of juice, the 18-watt fast charger will pump it from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour and 58 minutes. Again, this is something you won't find elsewhere in this category. Moving on to the camera, the Poco M3 Pro 5G comes with a 48MP main sensor at the rear and on the front side we have an 8MP selfie camera. The camera is not the main selling point or the attractive features of this device, but that doesn't mean it is not capable. The 48 megapixel shooter takes good looking images with good details. Dynamic range is decent as well, and the overall color reproduction looks natural. Portrait shot is also very okay, and at this price point I can't really fault it. Selfie is decent as well, even though most times the images appear soft. Just go through the images and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. Hey guys, so this is a front facing camera of the Poco M3 Pro. I'm currently shooting in 1080p 30 frames per second, which is the highest resolution this device can handle or can go. Looks okay, but you guys should let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. The Poco M3 Pro can only shoot video in 1080p resolution, and this is what the video looks like. So in conclusion, for an entry-level device, the Poco M3 Pro gets all the basics right, and there's nothing to really complain here. You get an impressive performance, excellent battery life, excellent display in the segment, 5G connectivity, a fast charger out of the box, and above all it costs only 75,000 naira or $180 for the configuration that I have here. I don't have to tell you this is the best device in its class, and it might appear like I'm pressing it too much. The thing is, when something is good, I like to go all out for it. So that is it guys. Tell me what you think about the Poco M3 Pro 5G in the comment section below. If you have any interest in buying it, use my link in the description box below, and you can also use my coupon code displayed here to get a discount from your purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed watching this video, and I will talk to you in the very next one.